Oh, hello class! Welcome to Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. My name is Teacher Cherie, and for today we are going to learn about your alphabet. Oh, class, it's our fourth class for today. Now, class, let's learn about the letter D. Okay? Now here, let's say together, letter D. Okay, now class, remember this is letter D, okay? Now here, let's say together, letter D sounds like D, D, D. Let's say together, D, D, D. Let's say it again, D, D, D. Oh, you did very well. That's nice. Now let's continue class to the next page. Now here, let's say together, dog. Very good. Now let's say together, D, D, dog. Oh, very good. Let's say it again, D, D, dog. Okay, that's right. Good job. Let's say it again, dog. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's continue to the next one. Now let's say together, drum. Dr, d, drum. Okay, yes, that's right. Very good. Let's say together, d, d, drum. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Let's say together, drum. Yes, that's right. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh, it's a deer. Let's say together, D, D, deer. Oh, yes, that's right. Let's say it again, D, D, deer. Oh, yes, that's right. Very good. Now let's say it together, deer, deer. Oh, yes, that's right. Now let's continue to the next page. Now here, class, these words start with letter D. Now let's say together, D, D, D. Oh, very good. Now for today, we are going to learn how to write your letter D. But first, let's start with your uppercase D. Now let's make a straight line from top to bottom. Let's try. 1. Okay, 1. Very good. And now let's make a curved line from your top to bottom. Let's try. 1. Okay. 2. Okay, let's try. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Now let's try to write your uppercase letter D. Let's try. 1, 2. Oh, yes, that's perfect. And next one, let's try to write your small letter D or your lowercase d. Now, class, let's start with making a straight line from top to bottom. Let's try. 1. Oh, okay. Let's try. 1. Very good. Now, let's try to make a curved line from your middle to the bottom. 2. 2. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Now let's try it together. 1, 2. Oh, wow, you did a very good job. Now you know how to write your uppercase and lowercase d. Good job. Now, you did a very good job today, class. And for our next class, we are going to learn the letter E. Okay, are you excited? Oh, me too. See you again, class. But class, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. And don't forget to like our page on Facebook, Peniel Learning Center. See you again, class. Bye!